What is up, you guys? It's RJ. We are here finally to check out TXT's comeback, Good Boy, Gone Bad. I had to wait for this because I was on vacation, but I am finally back now, so I'm getting to this today. I'm going to treat myself. I'm watching both the MV and the relay dance, so two for the price of one, I guess. I'm also going to check out the comeback show stages over on Patreon, probably later in the week. But yeah, let's go ahead and get right into this. My intention was to watch the teasers as well, like in this MV, but it's been out for so long, I just want to get into it. I don't know if I'm ready for these looks. Damn. Super. Oh. Wow. I love this. Wow, TXT is really embracing this whole rock vibe. Like, it's a fusion. Why are we still crying? We were crying in the last one too. His psychotic ass. I'm rewatching this again. I didn't read the lyrics at all.
I like him back.
Not surprising he's the one to say that line. Huh. Okay, let's go ahead and replay that. A lot of interesting imagery I want to comment on. And I got to pay attention to the lyrics. So, nope. This like eyeball thing. So I know that actually this may not be true, but I'm gonna go ahead and assume that there's a ton of imagery in here that is related to their ever complicated storyline that I can't wrap my brain around. So I'm not gonna try to. But I do notice there are a lot of things that are symbolic in referencing the lyrics. Specifically, the very beginning, I was going to say it seems like they're throwing flowers on a grave, like they're burying them, their old selves, because they're kind of sick of maybe their good boy image or the image that is being cast on them, and they're over it. I'm gonna go with that. Embrace the boy inside of you. I love this choreography. This song still has kind of almost that angsty vibe that Loser Lover has as well as 0x1. They're dancing in a freaking cemetery. Is that a photo of himself he burned, right? Love is a lie. I love that lie. I love him. I love him. He's crazy.
I like him back.
He's crazy. All right, tomorrow back together. Yeah, I didn't know what to expect with this song. I think I didn't watch all of the teasers. There were so many, and I had intention to watch all of them, like I said at the beginning of this, with you guys. But there's just so many, and I think I watched one. It may have been one of the first ones that they released, and I was trying to figure out what type of vibe this song was going to be. With the title of the song be Good Boy Gone Bad. Didn't expect this. I did not expect it to still be in the same. I think they've kind of found their sound with this like rock element that they started with 0x1 Love Song, because it really fits them a lot. And even though this one was a lot more, I'd say this was a bit more edgy than Loser Lover. When it comes to like the fusion of that, it was almost like I guess you could say a pop rock fusion in a way, the way they did it. So I'm curious what the rest of the album sounds like, because I mean, if you're looking at like Freeze Chapter, 0x1 Love Song is the only song that sounds kind of like that. I mean, maybe Dear Sputnik, but yeah. Okay, well anyways, really want to see this relay dance, so let's do it. Red hair is a good look on you. I can't. can't deal with Hyunjin. What's in his mouth? The glove? Hyunjin just wants to be seen. Get it, Subin. Oh, okay. I love this choreo. It's hard to not stare at him because he's making himself seen. Subin locking eyes with him though. He is a fool.
I like them back.
Oh, so it's like a shorter pause in the actual song. Yeah, I can't wait to check out the album in full and also just the comeback stages. Like I said, I'm gonna check them out on Patreon because I don't trust YouTube to not copyright strike me with Mnet. So I don't think they did stages for all of the songs. I think the only one they didn't do one for was maybe actually the last two. I think Thursday's Child. I forgot the name. I forgot the full name, but that one and Lonely Boy. I think they did stages for the other three. But yeah, I definitely enjoyed this comeback stage, or I enjoyed this comeback. It's been a long time. I feel like I was saying that I don't know. I was saying that like a month ago that I missed TXT, and then like I think a day or so later they were like, oh, TXT's coming back, and I was like, they heard me. Definitely had a good time with it, and like I said, I think they really found their sound with this particular genre. So it makes me curious if they're going to stick with this when it comes to their title tracks, because obviously the B-sides are always a bit different. But yeah, I'm curious what other MOAs thought of this song and maybe even the album. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if that's your thing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.